How to update WhatsApp on Android. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. Here, tap onto your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Under the Update Available section, tap See Details. Here, you will be able to see the Update Available option. Tap on it. And if the update is available for your app, it will pop up here. And next way to find it out is by searching the WhatsApp app. If it says update, tap on it. And if it says open, you already have the latest version of your app. Easy, right? And that's how you update WhatsApp on Android in just a few seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.